Well, fall is approaching and we have some most beautiful fall fabrics. Look at this. We're going to start with, this is 100% viscose, has stretch in both directions, 100%. It's beautiful. It really looks like a woven, but it's a knit. It's a very fine knit, and it's just stunning. I know you can't feel it. I wish you could. It's a wine, and then it pairs beautifully with this. This is what's on the cover of 223. This is the Klein zippered tunic. Love this. Loved working with this fabric. It has stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric. Very similar to it. The cotton poly. Cotton poly also very similar. Love the black and the pop of color. This is just so current and fresh right now. This has stretch in both directions, slight stretch in both directions, and it's just really pretty. I put this in for that cape. This is a beautiful 100% wool. It's a woven. It's a little bit like a wool flannel, but it's pretty. It could be so many different things. Doesn't have a lot of drape. You don't need a lot of drape for that cape, but it's just a beautiful piece of fabric, 100% wool. Then this you'll see tonight I made I made 223 out of this. This is a really pretty gray, charcoal and black striped ribbed. And it's really just a beautiful piece. It's almost 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, has stretch in one direction, and that is gorgeous. And then just for a pop of color, I put in, this is a second skin. It's got a little bit of cotton in it though. A lot of second skins only have poly, but I love the color. The color is really popular for transitioning for fall too. But a fuchsia that's just lovely. Stretch in both directions, cotton poly. Oh, you have to have happy sewing with this. It has to be. You can't have unhappy sewing with this. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.